Hello everyone. Today we are gonna create a documentary style edit on AI. I have given the using ChatGPT and ElevenLabs voice and Canva for the pictures. And if we require more pictures from different websites, let's try get it from different websites where the stock videos or the stock images will be free, and let's edit them on the Canva with the help of the voiceover. And I have used ChatGPT this prompt. Let's create a documentary style edit video using Canva and ElevenLabs audio and nice background music. The narration should be thrilling. Select a topic on AI and then create a script for ElevenLabs audio. Then I will drop that audio in Canva and start working. Then it has created along with the scenes, opening scene and what kind of visual effect, visual scenes I need to add and all. And it has generated a little small thing. So I told remove the visual description for now and create the script for the video. I'm expecting it should be at least 5 minutes of output audio. So because as I'm trying to create a long form of video, we need at least 5 minutes. We need at least 10 minutes, but the free versions of the ElevenLabs or the ChatGPT is not providing that much big output. So I told it at least 5 minutes of output. Then it removed everything and generated this. I have copied this entire thing and pasted it in the ElevenLabs and generated the speech, and I have downloaded it. It's in my download section now. Then once it is downloaded and it's in your folder, I will show you. Yeah, here you have the audio that I have sent it to my WhatsApp because I generated it in my phone. So I have sent it to my WhatsApp and I have downloaded it. Now let's upload into our Canva. Firstly, let's click on video. Okay. And then we are creating a landscape video in here. So once we click on the landscape videos, just close the ElevenLabs for now. And so now we have created an empty, from the starting. And now what we need to do is, first thing, we need to upload our audio. But click on the upload. Uploads, upload file. As we are looking for the audio, we need to click on the audio. Sorry, I'm getting some error. Okay, so I have uploaded and it took in the form of video. Oh, okay, let's see, we got a 3 minute 18 seconds of this is an audio file. Maybe I have downloaded it in the form, I got it in the form of a video, but it's literally blank.
Humanity's greatest asset, the ability to think, to reason, to create, separated us from every other species on Earth. We built civilization.
So we got the audio. I don't know, maybe if it is audible to some extent or something, just put it here. Once this is ready, we got a timeline of 3 minutes 18 seconds. Now we need to add our elements by going into the video elements section. First, let's see what kind of suggestions the ChatGPT has given till now. Script here. Now give me the visual suggestions in the Canva videos assets. I have proven, I have a, I said pro membership for Canva. It's not proven. I just keep on speaking to the ChatGPT. So sometimes it will mistake my accent. So we got the open AI rapid evaluation, and it has generated something general. So I asked it connect this visual timelines with the script so that it will be. Then it connected the visuals with each and everything. For centuries, intelligence was, it said Earth from space 4K. Okay, let's go to Canva. Let's listen.
For centuries, intelligence was humanity's greatest asset.
For centuries, intelligence was humans' greatest asset. The ability to think, to reason, to create separated us from every other species. So let's go to Earth, okay, from space and click enter. You got all this. Just click on videos. Select a nice one which you feel like good. This one looks good. So I will attach it here and extend it. Now we got it a big scale. So once it's
Think, to
saved,
reason, to create, separated us from every other species on Earth. We built civilizations, invented machines, and
we build civilizations.
we built civil.
So when they say we build civilizations, let's say, people going in the fast-paced background like ancient civilization. If we are able to get these one as well, just copy it, go here, paste it. We have ancient civilization. You have the videos. Yeah, this one looks good. So what we need to do is we need to just throw me up here. We need to reduce the timeline of this one to the start. Okay.
For centuries, intelligence was humanity's greatest asset. The ability to think, to reason, to. For
Yeah.
centuries,
To think, they're saying when they say to think, let's add a think. Okay. No. Let's do one thing. Let's make because we have an audio already, we just looking for the video, right? This is the audio we have, this is the video. So reduce the video, not the audio, so that it will be visually appealing.
the stars. But now, a new kind of intelligence is emerging. Does not sleep, does not. For centuries, intelligence was humanity's greatest asset.
Yeah, till here it is good, and from here we need to add one more thing. This one looks good. It has given someone something like abstract AI background, ancient civilization, time lapse. So I have considered ancient civilization and Earth from space, abstract AI background also. Let's see abstract. Before that, let's add this one so that let's reduce this. Now go back and play.
For centuries, intelligence was humanity's greatest asset. The ability to think, to reason, to
To reason, to create.
separated us from every other species.
Separated us from every species. Okay. At that time, every other, he's talking about every other species, right? So let's say animals, okay? And let's get into the videos. And because as human is somewhat related to the monkey, let's add monkey. You need to make sure the borders are well aligned with the background so that you don't have any space left behind. And yeah, Now, from the start.
For centuries, intelligence was humanity's greatest asset. The ability to think, to reason, to create, separated us from every other species on Earth. We built civilizations.
Now, they said we build civilizations. So let's type civilization and let's get into the videos. Egyptian is considered as the civilizations generally because it is very old. So let's see the Egyptian civilizations or the constructions we have. We can take the temples as well, the old temples. Let's select one and go with one. What he is saying again, let's recheck it, because you need to recheck continuously each and every time, so that you need to make sure that you are putting the
We
proper
built civilizations, invented machines, and expanded our knowledge beyond the stars.
So we need beyond the stars, they said. So let's take the space videos. Yeah, this one is good because it is something only human can create. Till here. Okay, now let's replay it and see.
For centuries, intelligence was humanity's greatest asset. The ability to think, to reason, to create, separated us from every other species on Earth. We built
uh, the main problem with the Canva is whenever we use and we try to review the content, it will show it something different. But in the original, here, look it here.
For centuries, intelligence was humanity's greatest.
Might
For
be.
centuries,
Yeah, now we got it.
for centuries, intelligence was humanity's greatest asset. The ability to think, to
Nice.
reason, to create, separated us from every other species on Earth. We built civilizations, invented machines, and expanded our knowledge beyond the stars.
Nice. Now, nice output. We got it till here. We have done till 18 seconds till now, and we need to work till we get 3 minutes 18 seconds of output. So let's see what the person is saying from here.
But now, a new kind of intelligence is emerging, one that does not sleep, does not forget.
He's talking about the robot. So let's type robot videos. Yeah, this one looks good. Add it here. Make it till here. Now replay it and listen.
But now, a new kind of intelligence is emerging, one that does not sleep, does not forget, and does not think as we do. It is fast.
We do till here, okay? Because if you keep the video for too long, the viewer might get bored. He need new videos each and every time. It should be visually appealing along with the audio. The audio is going good, right? So if we add the nice visual as well, he will enjoy the video.
Was humanity's greatest asset. The ability to think, to reason, to create, separated us from every other species on Earth.
Nice.
We built civilizations, invented machines, and expanded our knowledge beyond the stars. But now, a new kind of intelligence is emerging, one that does not sleep, does not forget, and does not think as we do. It is faster, smarter, and evolving at an unstoppable.
Yeah, they said it is faster, smarter, and evolving, right? So let's see a robot running. We need, yeah, this one also looks good. Yeah, this one looks little scary. if I keep it here, while editing the full form of video, I can post this in the form of reel as well. Now attach the borders. Okay, now let's recheck it again.
And does not think as we do. It is faster, smarter, and evolving at an unstoppable pace. Artificial intelligence was once a mere tool created to assist for centuries.
Okay, let's see if we can find any robot that can run. That would be really nice of them, right? Yeah, I find something else interesting than this one. I didn't like this one, so I have deleted this. I'm sorry if I'm lagging the video too much, but it will give you more perception into how to look into the things while editing it. So let's
But
replay it.
now, a new kind of intelligence is emerging, one that does not sleep, does not forget, and does not think as we do.
Does not think as we do. Okay. Now, next he is saying they are faster.
It is faster, smarter, and evolving at an unstoppable pace.
Yeah. For faster, yeah, this one is good. Yeah. Now I have attached something that I can be satisfied with. If you find this video too lagging, please play it in 2x and you can attach the videos. I'm just making sure to make it streaming a habit so that in the future I'm planning to take the live classes for you. Now expand it as much as you can so that we have the audio. Just take this one, and you can expand this as much as you can.
It is faster, smarter, and evolving at an unstoppable pace. Artificial intelligence was once a mere tool.
Hmm. So he said artificial intelligence is once a mere tool.
Artificial intelligence was
So we need the shots of the videos from the olden days. If we have the robots, let's try to find a video that can be, that should say it is from past. I didn't find it interesting. No. No. Yeah. Okay. Now let's reduce the. Now you can play the audio.
artificial intelligence was once a mere tool created to assist, to serve. It answered our questions, drove our cars, and even wrote for centuries.
He said draw our cars, automatic cars, videos. The assets in the Canva are too very less. compared to the one we find on Pixabay or Pixels. And it's something like a automatic drive car driving. Yeah, let's type AI. They might have added. Look here.
and evolving at an unstoppable pace. Artificial intelligence was once a mere tool, created to assist, to serve. Intelligence was once a mere tool, created to assist, to serve. It answered our questions, drove our cars.
It answered our questions, drove our cars. I have seen a small girl dancing with a robot. Let's try that video. Now I have found something good.
It answered our questions, drove our cars, and even wrote our words for centuries. But
I have added two audio tracks, so I am deleting one audio track.
serve. It answered our questions, drove our cars, and even wrote our words. But something changed. Serve. It answered our questions, drove our cars, and even wrote our words. But something changed. AI did wrote our words. But something changed.
But something changed. AI started to thinking on its own. Okay. So let's go here. Go to the videos. This one looks little scary. Doing an editing in Canva is really hard because it is not a professional tool where you can edit the videos, right? But it will be it will do the work. Sorry, I got a call. So let's continue our work from here. Let's play
Something changed. AI didn't just learn, it started thinking for itself.
for itself. Okay, till here you can look here, the preview.
Questions drove our cars and even wrote our words. But something changed. AI didn't just learn, it started thinking for itself. The moment we
Sometimes the audio keeps on lagging.
answered our questions, drove our cars, and even wrote our words. But something changed.
So from here you can extend it till here. Let's see from the start. Okay, 30 seconds of the
For
call.
centuries, intelligence was humanity's greatest asset. The ability to think, to reason, to create, separated us from every other species on Earth. We built civilizations, invented machines, and expanded our knowledge beyond the stars. But now, a new kind of intelligence is emerging, one that does not sleep, does not forget, and does not think as we do. It is faster, smarter, and evolving at an unstoppable pace. Artificial intelligence was once a mere tool, created to assist, to serve. It answered our questions, drove our cars, and even wrote our words. But something changed. AI didn't just learn, it started thinking for itself. The moment we crossed from narrow AI to general intelligence, everything shifted.
So till here it started thinking for itself.
Changed. AI didn't just learn, it started thinking for itself.
Till here we got up to 50 seconds. So we have almost 2 minutes or 30 seconds of video to make, and we have got a 28 minutes of video output. Now let's say this as the part 1, and let's see what we will do from the part 2, and let's create a small, easily, using the existing videos from the Canva, and create documentary style. Like, I'm not saying this is a documentary style of editing, but it will do the job for posting the videos on YouTube faceless, that too.